Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project, I'm using this stamp. This stamp is from Inkado. I'm using A2 size card, and then I'm using this mixed media paper, and I'm going to stamp on that and start the project. So this is a nice stamp with detail, so I thought this will be fun to start the project. So now I am going to use my Misty and stamp this on the mixed media paper. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell button and leave your comments below. Now I'm going to do a little bit of pen work. Now I'm using this watercolor paints, and I'm going to color these beautiful leaves and flowers. And I'm going to put the music on so you can enjoy the music and watch me painting. Then I'll be back. just finished the painting. This is a simple card, and now I'm going to stamp the sentiment. Then I'm using this black cardstock. This is like 1/4 inch smaller, and then on the top I'm going to stick this paper. So this is a simple card. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up button, and leave your comments below. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.